Hi there, and welcome back to chemistry. Hopefully, everybody is healthy and hanging in there. As we said before spring break, in the event that we wouldn't be returning to school, and as you know, we're not for right now anyway, things would continue as they normally have all year long. So, we will be posting assignments on Google Classroom, and this is a fantastic opportunity for you to find out, are you actually ready for college? When you're in college, there's no one there to tell you really when to work and to force you to work. And with this e-learning situation, it is very similar. So it's important that you try to stay up with the tasks, not to stress. And as we mentioned, in times of adversity, find opportunity because today brings the tools to help us build tomorrow. And what we mean by that is this coronavirus break that we're taking is an opportunity for us to learn to work on our own, to follow through on what we need to do. What changes will we be making since we are not in school? Well, first of all, we'd like to remind you that we are on Unit 8 and everything will be posted there beginning in Unit 8. We've already done the first couple of assignments from Unit 8. If you have any questions at all during this process, be sure to email me. My email is steve.hippenmeyer@ketteringschools.org, not Steven. If you send it to Steven, I won't get it. I'll be available every morning from 9 to 10:30, but really all day long. So if you're not up and moving at 9 or 10:30, but you're someone that wants to get going at 11 or 11:30 and you have any trouble at all, just email me. I'll get back to you. I'll post help videos for any of the problems that majority of the students might be struggling with. For now, if you want to submit your work as you do it, just take a picture of it and attach it to an email that you send to me, or you can scan it in if you have a scanner. Above all, don't stress. We're going to get through this. For chemistry, nothing's really going to change. And I just hope you follow through and get going on this stuff and to take advantage of the opportunity that presents you to learn to develop those skills where you're working every day. Hang in there, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.